Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Make English Easy channel, where learning English is fun and easy. I'm Lily.
Hi Lily, today we're going to talk about one of the most common questions in English, especially in interviews, meetings, and social situations.
Oh, I know this one. Everyone asks, tell me about yourself.
That's right. And believe it or not, even advanced learners sometimes struggle with this.
Really? I thought it was just a simple question.
Well, it looks simple, but saying the right thing naturally can be tricky.
I see. So, how can we answer this question perfectly?
That's exactly what we'll teach today. By the end of this video, you'll have 7 to 10 natural ways to answer this question, plus extra tips, examples, and mini practice exercises to make your English sound native.
Awesome. Let's get started.
The first step is always a simple introduction. Keep it short, clear, and confident.
Like saying your name?
Yes, but also a little more than your name. Here are some examples. Example dialogue. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Lily, and I'm from New York.
Perfect. Short and clear.
I work as a teacher. That sounds very professional.
Right. You can also add a tiny detail about your work. Example. I work as a teacher. I love helping students learn English.
Oh, I see. It's short, but it already gives the person a little information about me.
Exactly. And beginners often make the mistake of talking too much or saying very little. Short and clear is always better. Mini practice. Try saying,
My name is Lily, and I'm from New York. I work as teacher to teach the English. Okay, so after the introduction, what should we say next?
Next, talk a little about your skills or hobbies. This makes your answer more personal and interesting.
Great. Can you give me some examples?
Sure, here are some phrases. I enjoy reading books in my free time. I'm good at cooking and trying new recipes. I love playing sports, especially basketball. Example, dialogue, interviewer. Tell me about yourself.
I'm Lily. I work as a teacher. I enjoy reading books in my free time, and I love traveling.
Notice how she added a hobby and a little extra detail about herself. This makes the answer more natural.
Yes, it sounds friendly and easy to remember.
Exactly. Always try to give 2 to 3 sentences at this stage. Not too short, not too long. After skills and hobbies, you can talk about your goals or what you want to do in the future.
Okay? What are some examples?
You can say, I want to improve my English and meet new people. My goal is to become a better speaker and learn new skills. Example, dialogue, interviewer. Tell me about yourself.
I'm Lily. I work as a teacher. I enjoy reading books in my free time, and I want to improve my English and meet new people.
Perfect. You sound confident and natural. And remember, it's okay to mix professional goals with personal goals.
So it's like telling a small story about yourself?
Exactly. People love small stories. It makes you more interesting and memorable.
Anything else we can add to make the answer more fun?
Yes, always add a fun fact or interesting detail about yourself. I love traveling and have visited 5 countries so far. I'm learning to play the guitar in my free time. Example dialogue. Interviewer. Tell me about yourself.
I'm Lily. I work as a teacher. I enjoy reading books and traveling. I've visited 5 countries so far, and I love learning about new cultures.
This makes your answer personal, memorable, and friendly.
Wow, I like this. It's like telling a mini story about myself in just 1 or 2 minutes.
Now let's talk about some do's and don'ts when answering, tell me about yourself. Do's. Keep your answer short and clear. Be honest but positive. Use simple, confident English. Add a fun fact or personal detail. Don'ts. Don't say I'm fine or nothing special. It sounds boring. Don't talk too much about negative things. Don't memorize word for word. Speak naturally.
Oh, so we should sound confident but not robotic.
Exactly. Native speakers love natural, friendly answers. Let's do a mini practice. I'll ask, you answer. Hi Lily, tell me about yourself.
Hi, Jimmy. My name is Lily. I'm from New York, and I work as a teacher. I enjoy reading books, traveling, and learning new languages. I want to improve my English and meet new people.
Perfect. That was smooth, confident, and friendly.
Wow, I feel more confident now.
Great. Let's try another example. Tell me about yourself.
I'm Lily. I work as a designer. I love painting and photography. My goal is to work in a creative team and learn new skills every day.
Excellent. Notice how you added work, hobbies, and a goal, all in 3 to 4 sentences.
Can we change the answer for different situations?
Yes, for example, job interview. My name is Lily. I work as a teacher. I enjoy helping students learn English. I want to develop my teaching skills and work in an international school. 2. Meeting someone new. Hi, I'm Lily. I love reading and traveling. I enjoy learning new things and meeting new people. Social event/casual conversation. Hi, I'm Lily. I like painting and playing basketball. I'm also learning English and trying new hobbies.
Wow, so the answer can be short or long depending on the situation.
Exactly. Always adjust your answer to match the context. Here are some extra tips to sound more like a native speaker. 1. Use connecting words, and also, but so. Example, I enjoy reading books and I love traveling. 2. Use present simple tense for routines and hobbies. Example, I work as a teacher. I enjoy painting. 3. Add emotion or enthusiasm. Smile while you speak. People can hear positivity in your voice.
Wow, these tips are really helpful. I always feel nervous in interviews.
That's normal. Practicing small sentences every day will make you confident in no time.
Let's review the main points for answering "Tell me about yourself." Start with a simple introduction. Name, city, job. Talk about skills or hobbies. Mention goals or future plans. Add a fun fact or personal detail. Speak naturally and confidently. Adjust your answer depending on job, social event, or casual conversation.
Now it's your turn. Practice these phrases and comment below. Tell us about yourself in English.
And remember, don't say "I'm fine" anymore. Make your answer interesting and confident.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Make English Easy.
See you next time. Keep practicing and your English will improve every day. Bye-bye.